So you've made it to the Aspire to-dos. This is called Fashion Designers. It is a find a word puzzle for you to challenge yourself with. Hopefully you have uploaded Fashion Designers to Notability. Now, with Notability, I assume there are ways to mark on this puzzle. I've got it a little more convenient than you guys do, I think. So, you're just going to be looking for these words. You use your own strategies for finding them. I have it to where I can go in with a marker and I can, whoops, not do that. I can mark out the words. So the first one is Armani. So I'm looking for Armani, and I'm going to actually make this bigger so we can see it. And Armani is right here, Armani. I just drew a line through it. You can do whatever you want with it. When you are done, remember to submit it to me through Canvas. And good luck and have fun.